Hey everyone, welcome to MadActs 2020. I really am praying today and deciding for God to use this channel to change your life for the good and to believe again that God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that you could ask or think. Once again, thank you so much for your continued support, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click subscribe for more weekly updates on MadActs 2020. God bless everyone, God cares.
William.
Kasapi ng kalalakihan ng JPMSM Cavite, itinatalaga bilang sabihin yung inyong mga posisyon, kung ano yung posisyon na ay nanunumpa sa harap ng Diyos at kapulungan ng JPMSM na bilang hinirang ay aking taimtim na tinatanggap ang katungkulan na ito at tutuparin ng buong husay ay katapatan sa abot ng aking kakayahan ang mga tungkulin na aking gagampanan kasi hanawa ako ng Diyos na may kapal dito. Mamaya lalagdaan nyo ito. Let us pray. Pag-pray natin sila. I extend your hands on them.